Okay, let's proceed for another example. So it tells compute the probability using the standard normal curve. So kanila ang ihatag na probability. So kani siya, which is P Z is less than 1.67. Again, first step, you're going to draw a normal curve and locate the z-score. So kung mag-locate ako lang i-draw dire, again, normal curve. Again ha, sa standard normal distribution, your center is always 0 pag standard normal distribution. Pero pag normal distribution gani, it depends on the given mean and standard deviation. Sige, so itong mean is 0. Wala ka pagka-straight. Uy. Yun, perfect. Ay, mana ang curve din. Ayun. And then, nasa center si 0. 1. Ay, imagine na lang guys na na-straight na siya. Hindi talaga makaya. Actually, naman siya konti. Ito na siya konti. May negative 1. Negative 2. Negative 3. 1. 2. 3. And then, ito din is shade. So, like 1.67. So, na siya. Diri. And ang sign, tanawin nyo, less than. So, asa matapadulong? Diri or diri? Automatically, dilita na sign because it's less than. So, ilahin na to siya. Ilahin natin. Color. And there is C1 y. Wala, pagka-lovely. Super hassle. So, diri asi, 1 point. Imagine na lang ha, it's a perfect positive. And then, shade na to diri na side since it is less than. Again, pag less than, diri ta na side, mag-shade. Then, pag greater than naman, ito po na side sa greater na values. Then, locate the corresponding z-score. Then, after na to, pakita na to yung corresponding area sa z-table, which is 0.9525. So, pag less than, pag less than gani ang inyuhang sign sa probability, automatic katong area na inyuhang nakuha is maunata siya inyuhang probability ang problem. Inyo lang siyang i-convert into 95.20 into percent, which is 95.25%. Ano lang siya, guys? Ayun, naraganin siya. Una, kay i-drawing pa man. Ayun, nara siya. Diri asi 1.67. Yun sa 2 mo lang utang. Basta na siya sa 1.67. Diri siya. Si 1.67 and shade siya din. Lang siya pag less than. Again ha, pag less than, you're just going to draw a normal curve, locate the z-score, and shade the part which is mentioned in the unsa na operation ang gimension in the problem. And then, after na, kung less than, i-locate lang ninyo inyong area. Then, after nyo ma-locate ang area sa z-table, is automatically mo to siya inyong answer, but you're going to convert it into percentage. Tabi, ang area ni 1.67 is 0.9525. So, ito siya may convert into percentage, which is 95.25%. So, anak siya kung mag-answer ta o ginunan na problem. Pag probability, pag less than. Ubat pag greater than, ma'am. So, pag greater than naman, is same siya first, ay not the same. Ang step 1 lang. Ang step 1 lang, inyo lang buhaton, pag greater than, is you're going to, you're going to draw a normal curve, tabi greater than man siya, automatically, kung ano pa talaglit. Ako na lang i-show ang iyang graph, automatically, pag greater than, dili na side mag-shade, pag greater than. And then, yun na i-locate ang siya na z value. And then, after that, locate the corresponding area. So, kung malocate na yung corresponding area ni negative 0.65, ang inyong buhaton anang sa corresponding area is inyo siyang i-minus sa 1.0000. Now, if you're looking for a greater than area, the area in the table is subtracted from 1. So, bali, ang katong area na inyong nakuha sa z value na negative 0.65, na yung area is 0.2578, inyong buhaton, inyong i-minus si 0.2578 sa 1. Always una si 1 para dili mo mag-result og negative. And then, after nyo siya ma-minus sa 1, again ha, pag greater than lang siya. Kaya pag less than, na to siya automatic inyong answer sa area. Inyo na lang siyang i-convert sa percentage. Pero pag greater than, ang katong area na ninyong nakuha sa z value is inyo siyang i-minus sa 1. 1.0000 minus 0.2578. And then, after nyo ma-minus, na din to iyahang probability, which is 0.7422 or in percentage is 74.22%. Ano lang siya pag greater than. Okay? Sige. Question, everybody. Okay, so kung na may question sa GC ng ASA, so next natin is sa Z-score. Actually, this is already mentioned in the last topic, last module actually, module 11. It is mentioned na the Z-score. So, all we have to do na lang is, saan na to siya pag-locate sa Z table. Saan na to pagpangita iyahang area. So, again, man siya ang formula Z is just equals to X minus mu over theta, where X is the number of observed value, mu is the mean, and then the theta is standard deviation. Ato nang gamitan na formula sa kato nang gimension last time. Okay? So, kani siya, example, random variable x has a mean 6 and a standard deviation 2. Find the corresponding z-score of 4x is equals to 11. So, bali, atong x is 11, mu is 6, and then standard deviation is 2. So, we'll use the formula. So, atong i-substitute ang given sa formula. So, 11 minus 6 over 2. So, 11 minus 6 is just equals to 5 divided by 2. So, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. And then, na siya. Narang steps. Follow siya steps. Again, write the formula. Step 2, substitute the given values. Kana siya, substitute. And then, perform the operation. So, ato siyang i-minus and then divide. And then, last, write the corresponding z-score. So, unsa man iyahang corresponding z-score? Kana siya, iyahang corresponding z-score. 2 point. Ano na siya? Inyong buhaton. Next naman, another example. Nakaputan din the score and the summative test of 11 STEM B are normally distributed with a mean of 65 and a standard deviation of 12. So, find the probability that some students got a score below 40. So, in this problem, it shows that we're going to find the probability. It's different from the first example because it says, in the first example, is ato lang pangitahon iyahang z-score. Pero sa next examples, probability man siya na find the probability that some students got a score below 40. So, from the word below, our going to use is the less than symbol. So, probability of Z is less than because below less than 40. So, kana atong kuhaon na probability. But first, we're going to solve the z-score. So, yun, natay z-score na negative 2.08. So, therefore, the ay, di pa na sa final answer pa ni. After na ito, ma-answer si z-score, ano siya? Therefore, the px less than 40 is just equals to pz less than negative 2.08. So, kanya siya tong probability. Ano siya? Kaya ito naman na-solve si z-score. And then, after that, after natin i-allocate, dito na po na yung tabalik sa katong ganyan na example. Na mag-draw tawag normal curve, and then i-locate na to ang z-score na negative 2.08 din na side. And then, after that, is locate the corresponding area of the z-score in the table. And then, ang corresponding area for negative 2.08 is 0.01888. Again, pag less than atong gamiton na symbol, automatically, kung unsa inyong corresponding area sa pagpangita is na siya inyong answer. You are just going to convert it into percentage. So, convert na to si 0.0188 into percentage, which is equals to 1.88%. Ano siya, pag less than. And then, another one is greater than. Again, pag nakanaka na siya ikuan, mag greater than is inyo siyang i-minus sa 1. Same process. If na probability pangitahon, inyo siyang isolve ang z-score. Kaya para ma-identify unsa na z-score inyong i-locate sa Z table. So, isolve siya na siya x na 1.75 and mean na 1.6 and standard deviation na 0.3. And then, ito siya i-perform iyang operation after we substitute do. So, the final answer is 0.5. So, therefore, px is greater than 1.75 is equals to p z greater than 0.5. So, natay z value na 0.5. 5. And then after that, we're going to draw a normal curve and locate the z-score. So, paano siya? Since greater than man siya, dili kita na side mag-shade. And then after that, we're going to find the area, corresponding area of 0.5, which is 0.6915. And then, since it is greater than man, atong i-minus ang iyahang area kaning 0.6915 sa 1. So, 1.0000 minus 0.695 is equals to 0.3085 or 30.85%. Ano siya? Same process. Pero dili lang sa z-score. After nyo makuha si z-score, if magpangita siya sa iyang probability, inyo pagyapot ng i-perform ang kanina steps. Ano lang siya? Sige, any questions and clarifications, just message in the group chat. Ang kaning percentile, I will not include this one because we already discussed this in the relative position. Yun na kayo na to siya i-kuhan pa ilisod. Yun na ko ni siya apilan na para kuhaan siya sa inyo. So, need mo og z-score. So, na siya dili sa itong last two slides. Okay, any question and clarification, just message me in the group chat. Okay, thank you for listening, everyone. Again, ano yung siya percentile at ang nagamitan na percentile is katulong na mention sa relative position. Again,